Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Salmon with Skyr and Sauteed Kale. Eating more salmon can benefit your heart, brain, and blood pressure, and when it's served with wild mushrooms, sauteed kale, and a dollop of Icelandic yogurt, you're only packing in more vitamins and minerals. Eat like a Viking with this Nordic-inspired hearty salmon dish. Research has shown it can help lower blood pressure and aid weight loss. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon canola oil, 12 ounces wild mushrooms, sliced, 1 bunch kale, trimmed and chopped, 4 skinless salmon fillets, about 5 ounces each, 1/2 c. Skyr Icelandic yogurt, 1 tablespoon. Prepared horseradish, drained. 1 green onion, finely chopped, plus more for garnish. 2 teaspoons. Spicy brown mustard. Directions: 1. Arrange oven rack 6 inches from broiler heat source. Preheat broiler. 2. In 6 quarts of seppo heat oil on medium-high. Add mushrooms and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Cook 5 minutes or until beginning to soften. Add kale and cook 5 to 7 minutes or until stems are tender, stirring occasionally. 3. Meanwhile, arrange salmon on foil-lined baking sheet. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Broil 6 to 8 minutes or until cooked. 4. Stir together skyr, horseradish, green onion, mustard and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Serve salmon over greens, topped with yogurt sauce. Garnish with additional green onions if desired. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.